Do you know what day it is today? After this video, you won't just be able to tell it in English, you will also be able to tell it in German, so let's go! Weiter geht es mit den Wochentagen. We move on with the days of the week. If you know the English days of the week, the German ones are actually not that difficult. They might be a little different than in other languages, but they're pretty close to English. Die deutschen Wochentage lauten, the German days of the week are Montag, Monday, Montag, Dienstag, Tuesday, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Wednesday, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Thursday, Donnerstag, Freitag, Friday, Freitag, Samstag, Saturday, Samstag, and Sonntag, Sunday, Sonntag. So Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag and Sonntag. So what's the day today? Was für einen Tag haben wir heute? Haben wir heute Montag? Is it Monday today? Haben wir heute Mittwoch? Is it Wednesday today? You see, many of these terms are pretty close to English, like Montag, Monday for example, or Sonntag, Sunday, also pretty close. And at the end of each day, we always have the term Tag, which means day. Montag, Dienstag. The only exception is Mittwoch, Wednesday. And Mittwoch is a short form for Mitte der Woche, mid of the week. Mittwoch ist die Mitte der Woche, is the mid of the week. Also not that difficult once you know that, right? Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag und Sonntag. Also, for many people, the days Montag bis Freitag are also being referred to as Arbeitstage, working days, Arbeitstage, and Samstag and Sonntag are being referred to as Wochenende, weekend. Samstag und Sonntag sind das Wochenende, are the weekend. Alright, not that difficult, right? So, welchen Tag haben wir heute? What day is it today? Write it down in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're looking for more material on this and other topics, you should definitely check out our website germanmadefun.com. There you will find useful articles and exercises on vocabulary topics, grammar topics, and a lot more. So if you haven't already, feel free to check it out. The same goes for our social media pages. We post weekly content on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you haven't already, we would be really happy if you follow us there as well. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. I'm really looking forward to your comments. Have a great week guys and I'll see you in our next video. Bis dann, see ya!